मेरा नाम राकेश पटेल वन रक्षक है सर। मैं ये बीट कैंप तेंदुखेड़ा में यहाँ पदस्थ हूँ। और यहाँ पर गांव हटने के बाद से ये जो ग्रासलैंड डेवलप हुआ है, वाइल्ड लाइफ मूवमेंट काफ़ी बड़ा है। टाइगर मूवमेंट भी है, लेपर्ड मूवमेंट भी है, टाइगर का भी हर 1-2 दिन में मूवमेंट होता रहता है। तो वाइल्ड लाइफ सिक्योरिटी के हिसाब से सर हमारे यहाँ जो सोलर पैनल लगा हुआ है ये बंद पड़ा हुआ है, तो लाइट की बहुत आवश्यकता है। हमें मोबाइल भी रिचार्ज करना पड़ता है, मोबाइल चार्ज करना पड़ता है ताकि हमें पेट्रोलिंग पे जाने के लिए। तो अभी हमें मटकुली जाना पड़ता है क्योंकि यहाँ लाइट की व्यवस्था नहीं है। और
ये बताएं, आपका जो सिस्टम लगा हुआ था पुराना है, कितने साल पुराना?
ये 10 साल से ऊपर हो गए सर, 10-11 साल। जब गांव हटा था उसके बाद ही ये लगा।
Hi, so we are at Tendukheda camp. Now, if you can see at this Tendukheda camp, the village was relocated long back, and this has become turned into a beautiful grassland out here. Very good movement of tiger, leopard, gaur, cheetal, sambar. So a very nice movement of animals out here. Regularly, tigers are also spotted here. Now this camp has couple of problems. One is that their current solar system, it has got some repair issues which I think so will be sorted, but this solar system gives water to the water body and to the camp, and the problem here is that the motor is too big here, that this solar system pulls out the water so fast that it doesn't work in summers for more than 15-20 minutes. So now the good thing is that there is another good hand pump out here, and it has got very good yield out here, and there are 2 more very big water bodies that we'll show you. So what we can do is first, secondly, they don't have electricity as well. They had a 10-year-old electrical system out here. They have the panels on the top, but the panels are only there now. The system is not working. So because it is an area which is very important for the forest, for the patrolling here, because if this camp is not there, people 3 kilometers away from the village will enter inside, and there can be issues here. So this is a very important patrolling camp, so people need to stay here, and because they don't have light, they go to Matkuli and the other areas for charging their phones and charging their wireless, and also it's a problem for them. So we can do one thing: we can give an inverter battery, use the same solar system, and start the electricity at this camp. Also, because there are a lot of solar panels on the top, that is not needed here. Out of those solar panels, we can use for 1 HP, at least 4 to 5 panels, and give it to the 1 HP system to the another good yielding hand pump out here, which will feed the 2 water bodies out here, which are the big water bodies. We'll show you. Water body 2, this is around 500 to 600 meters.